So, here's what we're going to do. So I'm going to come into OneMob, okay, and I'm going to punch this up, and I'm going to say I want to record something. I want to get the GP watermark there, so that's going to be our watermark, okay? So I hit record, it'll go 1, 2, 3, and then it's going to say smile. You know, the very first thing it tells you to smile, and you're like, oh yeah, I remember to smile. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Hey Nicole, Kurt Shaver here. I'm the Digital Sales World. I'm here with Ashley and Bree, and so I asked them to tell the video, what have they learned or what do they want to learn? Bree, take it away.
Getting ready to learn some tips and tricks about buyer personas to bring back to share with you.
All right. Ashley, what about you?
I am about to head into a meeting to learn about promotion plans, which is really going to help us with this SDR program.
All right, sounds good. So they're here working hard, Nicole. We'll talk to you later. Bye. I just want to find out where I want to edit the last little bit, because you always have to reach back to the camera, you know. But we're done with the trim, okay? And then one last thing we're going to do, so I can put a little text overlay on this. We are getting digitally disruptive at Digital Sales World. So then you say, okay, I'm done with it. Like, we've done the post-production. Now, the last thing we got to do, remember, it wants us to pick a thumbnail. So that's a very good one, because you guys all both have great smiles. So we say, like, awesome, and then it renders one more time. This will take it like a minute, and then I'll just email it to Nicole.
Okay.
And she'll be like, what's going on?